What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to accept and use Steam gifts, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically guys, you know that Steam has gifts, so basically gift cards and other gifts for a different Steam users. So how to use them and what is it? So when you purchase a game on Steam, they offer the option to gift the item to anyone on your Steam friend list. A Steam gift purchase is one-time transfer. After the recipient has redeemed and installed the gift, it is now a part of his or her Steam game collection. So how to purchase it? To give a gift to a friend, basically go to Steam storefront and then click the add card button to the option you want to buy, and upon clicking it, select the purchase as a gift option. So basically guys, if you received a gift, how to accept it? Well, basically accepting it means to activate it. So if you do not already have Steam, download and install Steam. Once you have Steam installed, you'll be prompted to create an account or log into an existing Steam account. If you do not have an account, create one. Then after that, you will receive an email containing a link that will open Steam to redeem your gift, or in the Steam client you'll receive a notification at the top right corner that says you have a gift. Basically, as you can see, it will look like this. Then if you click on decline gift, they'll issue a refund to the original sender, and you can optionally include a note when you choose to decline a gift. Whether you do or not, they'll email the sender to let them know the gift has declined. But if you don't want to decline it, when you add a game to your library, it will be installed in your library and games list in the Steam. Highlight the game and click the install. Basically, then it will start to download game to your computer. If the game is already in your library, you'll receive a notification that it is, and you will not be able to add it. If the game is not in your library, you'll receive a pop-up notification confirming your action. So basically guys, that's a way to accept a Steam gift. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.